a secret location. Y'all, so in today's upload, I'm finally going to be talking about how much I paid for the car, or how much I financed the car for, what my monthly payments is, and what my insurance rate is. So let's go ahead and jump into this. In my first video where I explained everything about how much I pay monthly, how I paid it, and where did I go about financing, I broke everything down in that video, and it's like a lot of people had a problem because people just want what they come for. How much you pay, they want to know that right then and there. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into it. I financed the car for $49,000. It's some numbers after that, but it's $49,000. My monthly payments is $875 a month, and I'm making payments for 60 months. You know, like I said before, and also with my last car, I always double up on my payments, so it'll be paid off ahead of time. But with this car, I don't know if I plan on keeping it. I might trade it in, but we'll see down the road. So like I said, monthly payments is $875, finance for 60 months. My car insurance for two cars, I have a 2015 Impala and also this. Of course, you know it's full coverage. It is $230. Even after the accident, it didn't go up because I wasn't at fault. So if you're watching this video, whoever you was that hit me, I ain't gonna say your name. Look, it wasn't my fault. I'm gonna show y'all the window sticker for the car. The car was originally $54,000. Let me see. I'm about to switch cameras to give y'all a better view. So $54,240. Base price was $41,670. These were all the optional equipment that came with it. As you can see, the wide body package was only basically $6,000. All of that came with it. And speakers, listen, those speakers with that surround sound, it sounds so good. Like I did in my review video on pros and cons that I like about this car, I mentioned something about speakers. The sound quality in here is so good, especially if you equalize your music. Listen, I give it a 100. But yeah, it came up to that as a total. I didn't get the car for that price. Like I said, I financed the car for $49,000 for 60 months. If you know math pretty good, then you can figure out the interest rate yourself. So now that I got that out the way, I really don't know what this video is about to head to. I know I'm just recording to waste time, y'all. Last week, I hit y'all with 6 uploads. That's the most I ever done since I've been doing YouTube. I challenged myself. I work a full-time job, and I work 7 days, and no, that is not volunteer. A lot of people think I just be volunteer to work that many days. No, that's mandatory. But I worked every day. I uploaded, I recorded, I edited my own videos, made my own thumbnails, and I challenged myself to upload a video every day for the weekday, you know, Monday through Friday. And I gave y'all 5 videos, and also I did a live video. That don't really count, but still, I gave y'all some more content. So let me know down below in the comment section if you would like me to do that again, or just stick with my regular uploads, which is usually like 2 to 3 videos a week. Now I'm gonna be honest, I lost some sleep doing that. I was tired, but it's like the grind of it, it kept pushing me. It kept making me want to do more and more and more. And low key, it's kind of starting to get a little bit addicting. It's like now I just feel like I done kind of got my body in the routine. Okay, time to go record. Oh, it's time to go edit. Now that I got some free time, it's like what I'm supposed to do. So that's why I just said, let me go ahead and record something for this week. So I might hit y'all with 3 or 4 videos this week. Just let me know down below in the comment section if you like those daily uploads, or weekly daily uploads, or just stick with my regular uploads. Also, I will be having some merch coming out soon. I got my logos made. I got 2 logos. So the merch is gonna be 2 options to choose from, and I will be giving some away. So whenever I drop that, I will let y'all have a preview first so I can get y'all suggestions of what y'all think. I think that's all I got for right now. I'm just ready to hit the road. I'm ready to ride. The sun is out. Today is Sunday. I got off work a few hours ago. I ain't been to sleep yet. I'm still trying to grind and enjoy this day. So make sure y'all go ahead and like this video. Drop a green emoji, you know, or you can drop a purple emoji. And when the video is over with, come back and leave an actual comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. And once again, I'm not changing my name, my YouTube name, nor my Instagram name. It's gonna stay Slime Pack. You know, when I get that Hellcat, I might drop the 392, but so far it's gonna stay Slime. This week, I plan on going to order the wrap. I plan on going to the wrap shop, ordering the wrap, go ahead and get that out of the way. I'm waiting on somebody to wrap my hood. They're part of the car club. They said that they was gonna wrap it. So if you're watching this video, what you waiting on? I ain't gonna call you out because I done called you out in a couple of videos before, but you know who you are. I'm waiting on you, and I'm just ready to get this process done and over with, so I can kind of like have a feeling of actually having slime back. Because dang, I'm already giving away secrets. There's gonna be some lime green in the wrap, but anyway, time to move on. See if I can make some noise real quick. Oh, put your seatbelt on. My seatbelt needs on, y'all. about something. Lately, I've been getting a lot of DMs about YouTubing, how to, I don't want to say how to become a YouTuber, but, you know, just some inspiration. Other people want some inspiration. Listen, if I could do this, you could do this. I used to watch other people's videos that used to say that, and they'd be like, but now I'm living it. It's like, for real. If I can do this, you can do this. All you got to do is apply the time, apply the work, research on things. It don't hurt to learn some stuff. And number one thing, you do not need no fancy camera. You do not need no editing software. If you use iPhone come with iMovie. If you need some background music, iPhone come with GarageBand. So it's like no excuse. Your iPhone records, well, all phones, all smartphones I know, record in 1080, 60 frames. All you got to do is just get out there, record, and edit. You're going to learn along the way. Each mistake you make, you're going to learn. The more you do it, the more you're going to learn on your own. Like, y'all see some of these YouTubers, they charging to kind of give you a little knowledge about how to start a YouTube channel. Whenever you don't even need that, just pick up your phone, camera, whatever it is, and just record whatever it is that you want to make content with. Stay consistent with it. Don't copy other people. Just make everything original, make everything your own. If you see an idea you like, of course it's okay to do it, but flip it and make it your own thing. And another thing is, never judge your growth by another person's growth. I caught myself about to do that, because it was like, this other person was barely uploading videos, and I was steady uploading videos. At the time, it was like 1 or 2 videos a week. I was at 1,000 subscribers. We was both around the same thing. Then boom, they had got a shout out from somebody, and they went up to 3,000 subscribers. And it's like, dang, I'm up here grinding and I ain't even getting subscribers. But somehow eventually I started growing. I started applying myself more. I started researching more. Also research, even though, let's say you're doing car stuff, Google and search what's trending. That's something that, you know, that'll really help you out. Don't just make videos just to make it. Look around and see what people really watching. One thing that helped me was, even before I got this car, I was always watching Mopar channels, stuff that was car related. So it's like, jumping into this, I already knew what people was watching, what people weren't watching. You know, like I always tell people are gonna watch anything. Whatever's on YouTube, it's a crowd out there for it. So all you gotta do, you just gotta find your own lane, stay in it, and just be consistent. That's the key word, be consistent. Just this past week, when I told you I uploaded 5 videos and went live once, I growed a lot. I got a lot of views. Also, don't worry about your views on your videos. Don't worry about the views. If you getting paid, listen, YouTube do not pay by views, they pay by watch time hours. Also, let's say if you uploaded a video today and you got 10 views versus the video you uploaded yesterday, you got like 1,000 views. As long as you upload it and you getting views, just know that you're growing, because you got more views than what you just had. If y'all get what I'm saying. But like I said, number one, you do not need no fancy camera. You do not need no editing software. All you really need is your phone. But I got this camera right here. Only reason why I got this camera, because at the time, whenever I was recording with my phone, I kept running out of space, so I just got this camera. And also, sometimes I'll record with this camera. Only reason why I got this camera is because I used to do photography. Sometimes I might do it every now and then, but I was kind of like stepping my way into the photography world. But then boom, YouTube happened. So I applied what I knew from photography into editing my videos and recording my videos. You don't need neither of those cameras. I know some people who will go buy $1,000 cameras, and it's like, other people can put out the same content with an iPhone camera and still grow. If you're in the truck world and you know Whistling Diesel, he still record and edit all his videos on an iPhone, and he had like over 1 million subscribers. So listen, do not underestimate your phone. Keep your lens clean. Don't clean it with your shirt. Try to keep you some kind of cloth somewhere near you. Like, this is what I use. I got one of these cloths. I try to keep near me, or some kind of microfiber towel or anything that's not like paper towel, because you don't want to scratch your lens. But just keep your lens clean. Record in 1080. Never record in 4K with the front facing camera because it don't come out looking too good. And that's how you really start a YouTube channel. If y'all want me to go more in detail in how I grow, just leave a comment down below in the comment section and I'll try to make a video on that. Or if you just got a simple question, just hit me up on Instagram. I usually respond back to anybody if you know you making sense. If you just talking nonsense, then I ain't gonna respond to you. But yeah, comment down below if you want me to make a video on how I grow it on YouTube, or just hit me up on Instagram. Like I said, anybody can do this. All you gotta do is apply the time and the knowledge and skills, and you can grow. Just as long as you steady putting the time and effort in, you're gonna grow. It may not be how fast you want it to grow, but you're gonna grow. Also, if you just jumping in it for the money, you're gonna get discouraged, because when you first starting out, don't quit your job. Do not quit your job. YouTube is a business. I recommend you, if you do not look at stocks or invest in anything, I advise you to look at stocks, because whenever Google drop, how much you get paid is also going to drop. That's a little information for some of y'all who are getting paid on YouTube. Whenever you see your CPM or RPM drop, you might want to go look at the stocks and see what Google is. But that's all I got for this video, y'all. Once again, thank y'all for supporting me, for watching my videos, liking, leaving comments, and sharing love. And all the negative comments, I really don't get too many negative comments, but every now and then I'll pop back on one comment just for fun. But y'all gotta remember, stuff that people do to their cars are for their liking. And it's a lot of stuff that I do that I wouldn't do if I wasn't doing YouTube. Did I say that right? But yeah, anyway, a lot of stuff that us YouTubers do that's in the car world, we do it for YouTube and we do it for content. You gotta remember that. And that's it, y'all. Y'all listen, if somebody tell you that a 392 ain't enough, they lying to you. They lying, I'm telling you. They either still driving with it in eco mode or something.